Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am happy that we are still here together, and we have come to another exciting bit of the 2025 Fire to the Boko Football Annual Moot. The session we are going into is one that involves the participating universities. As earlier introduced, we have 3 universities taking part: Ajasin, Adekunle University, and you have the screen. Was 200 after having my tongue bitten with an earlier attempt at Miss Noor's name. But yes, the gentlemen you have on the screen are the gentlemen from the Adekunle Ajasin University. Please let's put our hands together for the participating team. We also have Cavendish University from Uganda, and all ladies came even before I make to the university. Please put our hands together for them. Please, please. Louder, please. Louder. Very exciting indeed. Very, very exciting. And from the University of Lagos, ladies and gentlemen, the 3 universities that we have at the semi-final stage of the 2025 Football Annual Vote. Now, this will be a mediation session, academic at that, but entirely it's for the purpose of 5-man panel that we have for this afternoon. We will start with the chairman of the panel, Mr. Ricardo De Buen. We also have Mr. Islam. I hope I got that name right again. Fantastic, fantastic. We have Miss Pauline Mbaza. We have Mr. Timothy Kaja and Emma El Dali. My duty for now is as good as done. To hand the session, the chairman of the session will run the participants through the procedure for today's hearing. Ladies and gentlemen, let's observe silence to go through this particular session. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Leon, for the presentation. We move to this mediation session with my dear colleagues. It's a great honor. And well, first of all, to the 3 universities, congratulations for being here. Being here is a big achievement for you. You're the finalist. We will have to decide on who will be the 2 finalists to participate tomorrow in the arbitration. But from now, you are winners. The 3 of you are winners because you are here, and it has not been easy to be here. I have known some of you in some of the hearings. And as you know, this is not, this is mediation for the purpose, for academic purpose. Normally, a mediation is different. It's one mediator. And we have sessions with each of the parties, and it's different. How do you arrive normally to mediation in front of CAS, at least? Because you can use mediation in other authorities. Well, normally, if you present an appeal, you will receive a letter, and both parties will receive a letter inviting you to have mediation. Some of the parties, in a few cases, they attempt to have mediation, and then the mediation starts. There are some rules in the CAS code, well, and a specific CAS rule for mediation. So that is step right now, that there was an appeal, and that you have accepted to have a mediation. And what we will do in this case is we will hear each of the parties for 15 minutes. Okay. We will have from the appellant. Cavendish University will speak first, then University of Lagos, and at the end we will have the respondent, the senior university speaking. 15 minutes each. The important thing is how you express here, how you present your arguments. Okay. It's a mediation, but we will be watching all the way you manage everything in your presentation. Okay? And in any case, if one of us want to place any question for you, at any time we will do it. Maybe at the end, maybe some of us won't place any question. Maybe yes. In the real world, it happens this way. So good luck to everyone. At the end, we will all get together to get the scores, and you will know the result at the end of the event this afternoon. Okay. Any questions? Are you ready? Okay. So and yeah, you have what's up. We're going to have a chance to interact. We will try to do it in a way because this is a mediation, but originally it was not planned. It was planned that you present and maybe get some questions for us. I know that that's not a real mediation, but we will give it a try to do something. So if we can at the end, because that would be a real mediation. Thank you for your question. Another other thing to ask. So okay, the feeling is good. So get ready. And Kevin University, you have 50 minutes. Do we have someone taking the time? Please. Okay. So any questions from you? No? That microphone? One, two, check, one, two. Thank you. So Kevin, is you have to.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Mediator. Mr. Presiding Mediator, members of the panel, a very good afternoon. Council Daniel Warusi is my name, preparing for the appeal in this mediation process with Moot also, who is the point movement. Because of the fund, there is a very pertinent question we want to raise about this mediation process. And we seek guidance from you on how we can proceed. We believe that we have passed the mediation process, given the fact that this is an appeal of the decision of the fifth dispute resolution firm. In part one, for reference made to the second paragraph of Article 1 of the class mediation rules of 2013, and if I may read it verbatim, it states clearly that in principle, class mediation is provided for the resolution of disputes submitted to the class ordinary application procedure. And but we find the mediation is under the class appeals arbitration procedure. Now, however, the tax mediation rules provides that the matter that is supposed to be in the one data submitted in the tax ordinary arbitration procedure. And if I may further persuade this honorable panel, Article 2, paragraph 2 of the FIFA mediation guidelines of 2023 also states that immediate review available before the decision of the tribunal is made. In my opinion, we find it procedure improvement immediate or not usable. That's why, therefore, we seek your further guidance on how we can proceed in such a situation. Thank you.
In that all parties have agreed with it, so we can. It's a good argument. Technically speaking, we think with the percent, you can go ahead and go with mediation, please.
But obliged with no guidance. If you make the design panel, we would proceed in the Article 3 of the mediation of the first mediation rules of 2013, and because the parties to be given an opportunity to try to agree on the other rules of procedure to be applied.
Yes, in this case, as you know, the rules of proceedings will be that you have 15 minutes to speak. And then if we have some questions, we will call them. And we will try to get, at the end, this is apart from the real world, where we won't get to our results in this case. As you know, in the arbitration in the time, we want to know. That you're using interface the way you think the arguments. Not the eyes. Ethics. A lot of ways, what people say in newsletter, if you are included the practice of collaborate and with the guidance about the newsletter and make a nice so it's not is that for the was a bank and the couple value is one of the big realizing such
It's like being stomach. It's not like to second one, so the excuse for example, so the reasonable just the
believe that some so in certain case, you receive some bonus in the salary,
Yes, yes.
say